A burglar? He's just cleaned out a couple's whole house and the husband is begging him to let his wife go. Wait till you hear the reason. So this bloke, he breaks in, holds them both at gunpoint, he ties them both to chairs, cleans out the whole joint, the TV, jewellery, the lot. He's just about to leg it when the husband starts yelling, "Please, please, just untie her, let her go." Burglar goes, "Mate, no chance, I need a head start." But this bloke keeps going, he's crying now. "I'm begging you, she won't call the cops, I promise." The burglar's actually touched. "Wow, you must really love your wife to beg like this." The husband looks up and in a state of panic he goes, "Not really, mate, it's just that she'll be home in 15 minutes. If that cracked you up, smash that like button and subscribe to Laughaholics. I have new jokes every single day. Catch you guys.